Hello everyone, welcome back to Car Fix. Today we are testing out this £9.99 or about $15 I assume Amazon knife sharpener made by Menno, if you can see that in there. This comes in a few other brands, it's the same thing. Probably just cheap, made in China under a load of different brand names, but £9.99. It's got scissor sharpening, opening, then coarse, medium and fine knife sharpener. So obviously you're not going to use this for a professional knife sharpening or high grade knives. This is for a kitchen knife like the one here that I've got that isn't sharp, won't cut your vegetables, your meat, whatever else. Cheap knife, blunt. I'll show you now, it won't cut the paper. So it won't cut paper. I've also got a cucumber here that I'm going to try and take a right thin slice out of so you can see that. So I'm going to put some pressure down on here to cut this slice. It's not just doing it with the weight of the knife. Like I'm actually going to have to really go backwards and forwards to try and cut the slice off. Obviously this is still stiff. If this was like a tomato or whatever, you'd be squashing the tomato and it'd be an absolute nightmare because the knife's blunt. Another way to test whether a knife's sharp is you can run it on your fingernail, and if it grips, it's sharp. This one's got a little bit of sharpness left on the back edge there. See, it's like sticking to my fingernail, it digs in. The rest of it's blunt. As you can tell, again, won't cut the paper. So what we're going to do is, this comes with a handle, obviously you can hold it. It's got a pad on the bottom for non-slip. And we're going to go 5 on the coarse, 5 on the medium, 5 on the fine, and we're going to see if it will cut the paper. So let's go. Just 5 easy strokes on each. Not much pressure put on. And then 1, 2, and 5 in the fine. All right, and let's see if it'll cut the paper. There we go, already see slicing the paper a lot easier. Nice and sharp now. What's it like on the old cucumber? Trying to do a real thin slice. So just using the weight of the knife there. That's no pressure from me at all. So as you can see, it is creating, or it is making the knife much sharper just from 5 in each of the slots. So already it will work on your normal cheap kitchen knives to make them a lot easier and faster to use in an everyday kitchen situation. I'm just going to run it through the medium 5 times and the fine 5 more times, and we'll give it another quick try. Let's see if that's made even more difference. You can see straight through the paper now, every time. Now I'm just ripping it, but there you go. Easy. Much sharper. A lot better. So what would I say about this knife sharpener? Again, just using the weight of the knife. That's no pressure from me at all there. Straight through it. So what would I think about this cheap Amazon sharpener. I think it's decent, you know, for the price. What you need, it's on your side, bang, 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 if your knife's feeling a bit blunt. 30 seconds later, you've got a knife that's going to cut your veg, slice your meat, and do what you need it to do on an everyday kitchen knife kind of situation. Like I say, for professional knives, or real professional chefs, or I don't know, bushcraft knife type things, I wouldn't use this. It's probably not the right way to sharpen your knives. I've had these knives for about 10 years. They've probably cost me about 10 quid. So I don't mind running them through this kind of thing. So yeah, if you want your cheap kitchen knives to be sharp, I've got no problem with this Mano knife sharpener whatsoever. $9.99 UK, don't know what's that, $15, $20 US. If you like the review, if you're going to pick one up, there might be a link in the description. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. And enjoy your knife sharpening, people. Peace.